All right, again, good morning. Today is Monday, 8/25, 2025. All right, again, we're going to see what's going on with the goal. Before that, disclaimer. And after that, the most important part, subscribe. Huh? If you like what you see, people, and you would like to continue to receive this feed, just click the button subscribe. It's absolutely free and can be, I guarantee you, it can be really useful in your final decision. All right, let's see what we see. The goal. All right, in our last video, we established that the trend is moving to the downside. We draw our standard deviation channel along these lines here. Impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement. This is my high point along that line. Can you see it? This is my lower point, and here establish a new high. And what happened when this new high established, people? Never broke above this point. The market structure range now is from this line to this line, and the movement, you can actually see it, right? It's still moving to the downside. As we stand right now at 8:25, I'm sorry, at 7:24, gold is still moving to the downside. We see this anomaly, which is the news. This is not a change of trend. This is news, right? Now, let's draw our standard deviation from this point down. We go back to navigator, standard deviation channel, 610 candles. I already did that. Boom! Dead on this line, right? So as we stand right now, gold continued dropping. My estimation is it's gonna go back down to this area of support here, right? So we did a 1,000 candle projection where our polynomial channel, and look what we got. Hello. Touch standard deviation 1, but this standard deviation 1 is not linear. It's a curve. It's based on this line, right, which is 3 degrees. This line is 1 degree. So we have congruency here of 2 channels. Now we draw also standard deviation 2 on the polynomial channel just to make an area. And what did you see? This price is hanging around in my selling area here. And the third deviation, which is farther away, is right here in our polynomial 1,000 candle. There you go. Once again, as we stand right now, gold is going down. All right, again. Have a nice day. Good luck today. See ya.